Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to change up the front of our 2016 F-150 with a Raptor style grille to make it look a lot more aggressive. Our 2016 F-150 is already looking pretty good, but everyone loves the styling of the new Raptor. So today we're going to install this Raptor style ABS grille on our 2016 F-150. This aggressive looking Raptor style grille is made of high quality ABS with a nice charcoal finish with an aggressive mesh design and 3 amber LED lights at the top of the grille. It will directly replace the boring factory grille on the front of your F-150 to completely change the front of your truck. So today we're going to install it on our 2016 F-150. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/4 inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, a small extension, trim panel removal tool, and basic wiring tools. Our truck currently has this black ABS grille installed. It's pretty much the same exact grille that you just saw on the table, but it's black with this crossbar design, and this emblem is sold separately. We're going to show you how to remove this one, and the process is exactly the same as the factory grille. The first thing we're going to do is remove these 2 7mm screws on the side of the headlight trim. We have these aftermarket flares, but they don't affect anything. Remove the clip on top of the headlight trim. Remove the panel by pulling off the outsides, then working your way towards the center. And do the same thing to the other side. Remove the 8mm bolt right here. Remove the same bolt on the other side. Remove all the clips that secure the radiator cover. It simply comes right off once you get all the clips off. Remove the 4 bolts on top of the shutter system. You don't have to do it right at exactly this step, but removing these 4 clips right now is a lot easier while it's on the truck than on the table because it's nice and secure and stays in place. Unplug these 2 connections. And then disconnect the clip. There's 3 clips on each side of the grille that need to be removed. The grille is ready to come out now. Lift up on it and then pull it out. The grille now has to be separated from the shutter system. There's just a couple nuts holding it together. Remove the shutter once you get all the hardware out. Set aside your old grille and replace it with the new one. Attach the provided wiring harness to the amber lights on your new grille. Lay the shutter over the grille. Install the provided hardware. There's 4 normal nuts and 3 self-tapping nuts. The grille is now ready to be installed. Reinstall the grille the same way that you removed it. Install the 4 clips that connect the grille to the shutter. Then the 4 bolts. Reattach the 3 clips on each side of the grille. It's time to wire up the marker lights on the grille. They're super easy to wire up. All you need to do is run your power wire from them to the yellow and brown power wire for the marker light. Reconnect the shutter connectors. Reinstall the radiator cover. Reinstall all the clips. Install the bolt that connects the headlight to the grille. Reinstall the headlight trim. Finally, the two 7mm screws. Repeat the process on the other side, then your installation's finished. Okay, we got our Raptor style grille installed on our F-150. It looks a lot more aggressive. I'm loving the charcoal gray and the amber lights. It looks a whole lot better. Installation is really not too bad. It should only take you about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and before you know it, you'll be heading off road.